this is the full guide on how you can go about making a Gmail account. Here on the homepage of Google, you are going to see this button here on top. Also, you're going to see this sign in button. But first of all, let's click on this one, the Gmail. Now, for you to be able to have access to Gmail, you need to create an account in the case that you don't have an account. Like in this case right now, it's showing this big blue button this side which says create an account. So you can click there, it will take you to a page where you're going to start creating an account. But in our case, we're going to go back on the home page for Google here, and I'll click on the sign in. So here, if you have an account with Google, you can simply enter your email address, then you also enter the password, then you log in just like that. But in this case, we are assuming that you don't have a Google account. So you have to click on this button down here, the create button. When you click there, you're going to see three options. Do you want to create a personal account? Maybe you want to create an account for a child. Maybe you want to create a Google account for business. Which one is it? So here, these are just options for you to choose. And so here, I'll just choose personal. When you click there, it will take you to a page where now you're going to enter your name, and I'll just ignore this one because this is optional. And so I'll click on next. Then it's going to take you to this page where you have to enter the month, when you were born, and the day and the year. Then I'll also put gender, male or female. You choose which one you are there. Then you click on next. You can choose the email address that you want to use. You can either choose from these two here, or you can actually choose to create your own Gmail account. These numbers are very difficult for me to remember, so I'll just click on create my own, and here I'll just say something like this. Then I can click on next. If this username for the email address that I want to create is not available, you're going to get an error like this, which says the username is taken, please. If you want, you can choose this one, or you can continue and maybe add some numbers to it like that. Then you can check if this is a variable. And if it's a variable, you're going to be taken to a page where you're going to create a strong password. Now, a strong password is a combination of numbers, letters, and symbols. You have to create a strong password because if it's not strong, Google is not going to allow you to proceed. If you also want to see it, you can just click on this show password. It's going to show you here. And also make sure that you also type the same password down here. It should be the same. So when you do that, you can just proceed and click on the next button. They want to confirm if you are a human being or you're not a robot. You have to enter the number, and when you enter your number, you can just click on next. They'll send you a code which you can enter here, and here I have it, so I'll just type it. If you don't have an email address that you can use as recovery email address, you can just skip this, and then they're going to show you now your email address that you've created like that. Then you can just proceed and click on next, and just like that, you'll be taken to this page. You have to scroll down, but read these terms and conditions here, and then you just click on agree if you agree with these. If you don't, you cancel. Otherwise, that's how you create an account. You click on agree, and when you click there, it's going to take you to the home page of Google. Here you are now going to see that this button has changed from it being a sign in to it being actually the logo of the first letter of your name. In my case, it's G. And when I click on this Gmail now, I'll be taken to Gmail, my email account. Just like that, we are on the Gmail homepage. A Google account allows you to get an email address, which then is the one that you use for sending and receiving email addresses to different people or businesses or individuals. And now here, when you click on this button here, the Google apps, you're going to have access to all Google services that they offer for free to people who create an account with them. So this is how you create a Google account. This is how you have access to Gmail. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please leave a like on this video and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.